Hi everybody, this is Xenon the Fixer. Let's say this. You have these two browsers, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. Mostly we all use Google Chrome. But somehow on my computer, YouTube.com is not working on Google Chrome, but it's working on Internet Explorer. Let me show you an example. If I go to Google Chrome and you go to YouTube.com, it's loading, but it shows all gray squares with 4 gray circles. I never use the Internet Explorer that much, but if I go to YouTube, it looks like it's working. It's not showing the gray squares, nothing like that. So I might have a malware or virus or something else on here. And like always, I will show you how to fix this. So like I was saying, if YouTube.com don't work on Google Chrome, but it works on Internet Explorer, I will show you ways how to fix that. So once you go to Google Chrome, now, like I was saying, if YouTube.com don't work, but Internet Explorer works, on Google Chrome, I want you to go to these little 3 dot lines. Just click it. Click history. Go to history, then you click history with the mouse I'm showing right now. You wait. Now you press clear browsing data. On time range, pick all time. Don't pick the last 4 weeks, last 7 days. Pick all time. You press check on browsing history, check on cookies, and check on this one, the images and files. You press clear data. Once you do that, you go back. Let's test out YouTube.com. Right now my internet been going slow, so I have to wait a little bit. Now look, it's working. That's all you gotta do. Just click the 3 dots, history, on history, go to clear browsing data, and press all time. You clear everything, and for sure it will work. If that doesn't work, just go to google.com and install Google Chrome again. Just go to the site google.com and install the Chrome again. That might work. It could be malware, virus, it could be that, maybe, but there's ways you could fix that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.